using multiple if. This is a very useful tool. If you have nested if, you can give different types of grading. There are many universities, many colleges, many school systems, they have grading system. So let us see how to use Excel for grading. If function. The if function allows you to make a logical comparison between a value and what you expect by testing for a condition and returning a result if true or false. The syntax is if something is true, then do something, otherwise do something else. So if an if statement can have two results, the first result is if your comparison is true, the second if your comparison is false. Multiple if statements require a great deal of thought to build correctly and make sure that their logic can calculate correctly through each condition all the way to the end. If you don't nest your formula 100% accurately, then it might work 75% of the time but return unexpected results 25% of the time. Unfortunately, the odds of you catching the 25% are slim. Hi everybody. Today we are going to see about how to grade the students. So there is a grading system followed by universities. If we want to grade the students, we have to use multiple if statement. Okay, it is also called as nested if. Let us see how to create that. If D4 greater than 97, it is A plus. That is, if a student has scored more than 97 marks in a particular subject, he will be given A plus grade. If he has scored greater than 93, he will be awarded A grade. Greater than 89, it will be A minus. If it is greater than 87, it will be B plus. Greater than 83 will be B. Greater than 79 will be B minus. Greater than 77, it will be C plus. Greater than 73 will be C. Greater than 69 will be C minus. Greater than 57, it will be D plus. Greater than 53 will be D. Greater than 49 will be D minus. And less than 50, it will be F. Grading system what I have used in this Excel sheet. Based on your university or based on your school or based on the system what you are having, you can change the grade. Only thing you have to change the marks plus the grading. If you don't want any other grading, you can remove it. Suppose in certain system they won't be using A minus, B minus or C minus or D minus. So they can remove that particular value. So this is how we are going to use this entire formula in this Excel. If you have the rules for creating the grade, you write that in a piece of paper, then you can use this. Once we have given the grading, you press enter. So this student have scored more than 85. So he is given a grade of B. Suppose I am changing this marks to 88. You can see it will become B plus. You can see based on the mark the grading will be given. If you are able to write this code, I have used multiple if and the grade goes till F. Okay. So after finishing all this if statement, I have closed the respective if statement. This student has scored 88 marks and he has scored B plus. Now you click and drag. For all the students, it will be graded. So you can see if a students have scored less than 50, his grade will be F. You can see here the grade is F. You can use conditional formatting for this also, like what we have done for the marks, and the grades can be differentiated. So now no need to type a new formula for other subjects. Just you click this and you copy. You come to FM here, right click, paste. So automatically the grading will be there. Okay, no need to change the address. If you copy and just paste, you can see the F4 option is available. 76. This student has been graded C. So if you click and drag, If you click and drag for all the students, it is graded. Now once again I am copying this formula, I am applying for HRM. You can see the grade for HRM is there. Okay. So once again I am copying for OM. Done. Suppose if you want to do for RM, okay, after inserting, copy and you just paste. Now we have graded for all the students.
For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives.